Ba? Dapat si Hana magtanong.
Halika, tayo ka, darling. Tayo ka, pakita ka dito sa gitna.
Hana!
Oo, mamaya yung anak ni Kakay. Siya ba yung kasama ni last year ni Regine sa...
Siguro. Sa stage, yes.
Oo, siya yun, di ba? Siya yung sumama. Halika dito, Hana. At saka, hindi, sige, ikaw muna. Oh, Francesca, yeah.
Hi, Sir Rocky.
Hi!
So, you mentioned, Kanina, that you'll be bringing a lot of OPM songs that you and Miss Odette love on stage. So, how does it feel like performing these songs, and also some of them being with your favorite OPM acts?
How does it feel performing them?
Yes. Your, like, the OPM songs that you've loved, like, for decades now.
Well, okay. A bulk kasi of the repertoire is still our music. No? So we added a few that we really feel like we have to pay tribute to. One of them is Francis M. I'm doing a Francis M song, and then si Miss Odette is doing a Jerry Paraiso. Do you guys know Jerry Paraiso? Great. So marami syempre hindi kilala na si Jerry Paraiso, but he has written and produced and performed so many great songs. So Odette is paying tribute to Jerry. And then Apo. Kaya namin gusto na lang doon si Apo kasi feeling namin yung Apo yung quintessential songs na kinakanta ng era namin. Hindi pwedeng kalimutan ng Apo. Lalo na ngayon nakikita ko sila nagigig ulit at sumikat pa yung bago nila, yung luma nilang song na When I Met You, you know, it's become popular again. So if you're gonna ask me what's the feeling, it's nostalgic. I feel honored that I have the opportunity to be able to do these songs, and at the same time sing my own songs alongside another, you know, idol of mine. That is truly an honor. So excited ako, sobrang excited.
Also, last question. What do you hope your fans take away from this concert?
Hirap sagutin mo na. Siguro that they get to feel the same feeling that we get every time we perform them. You know, when we were touring around the US and doing some shows here, it's the same kind of response we get. Then every time we would sing, you know, Mahal Kita Walang Iba, Nandito Ako, Pakinggan Ka Lang, Till I Met You, Farewell, nagsisigawan yung mga tao. And you can tell that these people love these songs. They're fans of these songs, and these songs have become a part of their lives, of their youth. Reminds them of their youth, which is so precious. Gives them so many memories of what they went through as a human being and as a music fan of OPM. So I'm hoping that they get that when they take home, they feel really good. Oh, wow, that felt good. That felt good as a music fan. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Ano
Thank
English
you,
ko?
Francesca.
Ano kasi ako sa LA.
Ogie,
Dami ko English.
Ogie, yung farewell, pag kinakanta mo na, nasa-set.
Siyempre.
Emotional.
Used to be frightened and scared to
Ako
try
naiiyak ako dyan.
things they don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already near, we reminisce about all those years and cheers. Even if our last race will never clear. Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friend, with you. You'll never forget that. That'll always be part of you, part of your heart.
Graduation.
Graduation.
Grabe. Naalala ko, iyak ako nung graduation.
Bakit? Sino mamimiss mo kaklase?
Hindi, naiyak ako kasi sa tuwa. Oo, hindi ko na sila nakikita.
Yeah,
Tapos yung kinanta yung kay Sharon, yung high school. Grabe.
High school. Pero Ray Valera yun.
Hindi, pero Sharon Cuneta yung version.
High school life of my husband. Ano nga yun?
Pero yan, syempre, bago natin pagpatuloy ang press con, gusto natin acknowledge ang mga kaibigan natin na nandito. Syempre, nandito si Christina Tolentino and Girly Raga. Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakasulat dito. Syempre,
Baka Girly Rodis?
Hindi, Girly.
Yeah.
Sa taga SM Tickets to eh. Tapos kasama rin natin si Cristel May Maceda and John Iris ng LBC. Uy, LBC ang bongga. Oo. Lagi ako sa LA. Minsan ipapadala ako music.
Ayan
LBC.
daw, si June Lali. Lagi na sa
Di ba, may mga art kayo din minsan, di ba? Instead na iuwi nyo, binabox nyo pag
Oo
isuot
naman.
mga damit, mga ganun, di ba?
Magmula ngayon, LBC na tayo lagi.
Oo. Siyempre, eto ang mga taga-PAL. Siyempre si Rachel Tabora din ng LBC nandito. Si Pay Ramirez, si Alisa Ochique, Obinia Ochique. Ang pangat ng sulat dito. Hindi po ako may kasalanan neto. Ng Philippine Airlines. Yan. Ang bongga. Siyempre kasama rin natin si Peewee, si Shasha, and si Melvin.
Yan ba yung mga taga-PAL?
Yung kanina, pero ito taga-Ribisco tong binanggit ko.
Oh?
Yan.
Oh, hi, Rhea. Miss Debbie, thank you for helping me with my ticket.
Oy, sila tumulong sa rebooking mo?
Hindi lang yun. Kasi I used my points.
Yung miles mo.
Yung miles, yes.
Ni-redeem mo.
Hindi ba? Ticket ko pala yun. Sorry. Ticket ko ba talaga yun? Hindi ko alam.
Yung mga ano mo.
Talaga ba?
Yeah, syempre kasama rin natin
Sorry.
ang taga MOA Arena, si Miss Raven
Oh,
and Miss Hannah. Yan, maraming salamat. At syempre,
yan yung sa performance ko. Tama.
yung sa nag-perform ka dun sa Million Miler, sa San Francisco.
Million Miler na ba ako? Yes. Oy, prost nyo naman yan.
So, Biggs, sino yung next magtatanong? Jojo Gabinete? Yan, Jojo.
Hi, Hogi.
Hi, Jo.
Pa-share naman ng experience mo sa Paul McCartney concert. Tapos, ano yung mga napanood o natutunan mo na pwede mong i-inject sa concert
Ang dami.
ni Odette?
Ang dami. Okay, unang-una, so pagdating namin sa venue, hindi na nga kami kumain dahil sobra akong excited. Papasok pa lang doon, medyo naiiyak na ako. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, totoo ba to? Tapos yung anak ko natatawa sa akin. So anyway, pagdating namin, hindi ko nabalayan, yung ticket pa lang niregalo sa amin was on the 9th row. So ang layo, di ba? Kasi laki-laki ng venue. So oh my gosh, we're on the 9th row. And ayan na, so lahat, video. Nung lumabas na siya, alam mo, hindi walang bonggang opening. Lumabas lang siya, kumaway-kaway, ganyan, syempre. Siyempre, nung kumaway siyang gano'n, nagtayuan na yung mga tao. So wala na akong makita. Diba? Dahil ang tangkad ng mga puti. Diba? Sabi ko, oh my gosh, ano makikita mo yan? So I was just looking at the LED. And then may like, help me if you can, help me. Gano'n na kaga. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, nakakaano. So the experience was, here's a legend right before you. And here's a legend who was so giving. Yung alam mong nire-relish niya yung moment. Pinapaganda niya lahat ng tugtog niya, ng pagkanta niya. Although he's 82 years old already. Pwede naman siya mag-retire, di ba? Pero gusto niya pa ibigay. Nakaka-inspire yun as a singer, as a songwriter na I guess retirement is never an option in his mind. And it seems like, yeah, I guess. Hanggat kaya mo, di ba? Sige, hanggat may mga taong manonood. And then what I learned was hindi kailangan bongga ang entablado mo, especially for a singer-songwriter as he, and yung bang music lang talaga Ang pinunta mo doon, kantahan, tugtugan. Tapos, meron isang moment doon, sobrang tumayo balahibo ko. Kasi parang katayo, nakaupo na siya doon sa piano niya. Tapos, syempre, nagkakagulo kami. And then, hinintay niya na medyo mag-settle down. Sabi, "Hey Jude!" Diyos ko. yung moment na yun was just divine for me as a fan. So, I learned so much in that he is such a giving artist and it never ever ends. You can tell that he's so humble. That you can tell also that he loved John so much. Alam ko marami silang intriga through the years. Pero mahal na mahal niya yung kaibigan niya yun. And that there was so much respect between them. Which I have among my peers. Yun, natutunan ko yun to cherish that, to relish that. Kasi hanggang sa pagtanda at hanggang mayroong pumanaw, di ba? You have to hold on to those memories. Tapos, yun palang isang kanta niya na, yung Hey Jude pala, di ko alam. Di pala Hey Jude, Hey Jules pala yun talaga. Because that was a song he wrote for Juliet Lennon, yung anak ni John Lennon. Kasi nung naghiwalay si John at si Cynthia, yung una niyang asawa, ang inaalala niya, siguro inaanak niya, hindi ko alam. Inaalala niya yung kalagayan ni Julian. Na sana okay ka. Apparently, siya ang nag-alaga. I think John was just so in love with Yoko yata or something. So inalagaan niya yung batang yun. And gave it a whole new meaning. You know? In Let It Be, di ba there's a line there that goes, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. As a Christian or as a Catholic, you'd think, oh, Mother Mary, si Mama Mary yun. Yung pala hindi, nanay niya pala yun. His mom's name is Mary. So, it's just about his life. And so as I speak, I'm working on a musical. And we're definitely doing it next year. October, November of next year. And it's culmination of all the music that I've written through 37 years of my being a singer-songwriter. And when I was talking to my writers, sabi ko, you know what? This is actually a reflection of what happened to me, my personal life. Now, why am I telling you this? Is because I had now that I've watched Paul McCartney and become courageous about his beliefs and what he went through, all the more am I more inspired to make that musical better. So, sorry, dami kong sinasabi, pero in a nutshell. Now, the most important thing that I cherish sa kakapanood nun was being with my son. My son kasi, nung nauuso na uli yung CD, sabi ko, anak, bibilang kita ng mga CD, pero ito yung mga kailangan mong pakinggan. So the first one was a Beatles CD that I gave to him, which he has been listening to. So kilala niya yung mga songs ng Beatles. And so for him to be there with me and teach me how to video and all of that, it was very, very precious to me. So yun ang importante na.
Anong reaction ni Beat habang nanonood kayo?
Sobrang siyang excited kasi ngayon nagigitara na rin siya. Kasi na-explain ko sa kanya, tinan mo siya, okay na tinitipa pa rin niya. Siguro malabo na yung mata ni Paul McCartney, so ginagano niya yung gitara niya kung tama ba yung pagkaka-finger niya. I mean, sorry. Yung tama, fingering din naman yun. Kasi pagka medyo hindi mo na yung titignan eh. Siya yung tinitignan pa niya. Yung pagkakatipa niya. And he's just a consummate musician. So I hope it inspires him also to be one.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, yan.
Sorry,
Pero,
haba.
okay, syempre, ito po yung part na tribute to Sir Paul McCartney.
Yes!
Okay, yan. Sino bigay sa ticket si Ate Bina?
Yes!
So siya ng kaibigan na,
Sabi ko nga, ako na magbabayad, ayaw.
mayaman yun. Kaya pala,
Thank you, Ate Vina.
Piling ko pinag-iipunan niya yan. Kasi hindi niya ako binigyan ng pang Starbucks ng makaraan.
Kaya.
Pero mabait yun, kaibigan namin yun. pero ang bongga, di ba? Alam mo, Ogie, na-touch nga raw si Sir Paul. Na-touch siya na nalaman niya na pumunta ka doon, dami mong give up, even yung kasal ni Lara Maigil, hindi ka talaga yan.
Hindi ako nagtrabaho ng isang linggo, hindi ako nag-showtime.
Hindi naman showtime, pati ASAP, yung linggo.
Hindi ako nag-asa.
Oo, ang bongga, di ba? Pero dahil dyan, alam mo ba ang nalaman ni Sir Paul McCartney ang sacrifice mo
Ano sabi niya?
para sa Got Back concert niya, hindi niya tinapatan ng Q&A. Wala siyang November 7 show, pero meron siyang November 6 and 8. Oo, hindi siya tumapat
Thank you, Sir
sa
Paul.
Q&A. Oo, di ba? Kasi nakita ko dito sa Nashville, November 6 siya, tapos sa Columbus, Ohio ng November 8.
Tiningnan ko lahat yan, next schedule na yan. Ang tumama lang talaga yung October 4 sa Las Vegas. And tiningnan ko rin yung bakasyon ng anak ko, October 3, wala na siyang pasok. Sabi ko, uy, senyalis ito. Kaya ako nagpunta.
Piling ko naiyak din si Lara. Uy, pero anong tawag na to, Ogie? May nakita ako na, totoo ba yun, na pag magdo-donate ka, mag-ano ka na, ng parang $15 or ano, tapos pwede kang manalo ng
dun
ticket
sa-
sa front row, tapos
Yes.
may meet and greet pa sa
Yeah.
backstage.
May
tapos
bidding,
gift-
may bidding.
May gift pa, ganyan. Oo,
May bidding.
diba?
Totoo.
Oo.
Siyempre, pinatulak ko rin yun. Kaya lang, hindi kami bumasa.
Magkano binid mo?
Wala si Vino nagbid. Hindi ko alam magkano binid niya. Yeah, may ganun din.
Ako, piling ko $200 na.
Dapat ba $2,000? Mamaya hindi pa ako pansinin, di ba? Pero okay
Tatanong
na
ko si
yun.
Ate Vina kung magkano binili. Pero syempre, ito patuloy pa rin ang ating press con. Yan, ang next na magtatanong ay sana si...
Ay, OG. Ito OG.
Si Eugene Asi sana next na magtatanong. Kaso late
Isa bang OG?
Late siya eh. Hindi
Late
pumayag yung
ba?
mga nauna sa
Oo, ngayon late, ano?
Late ka Eugene. Wag ka
Galagari
tanong.
pa kami.
Chine-check ka pa. May ano dito, no? May attendance sheet sa akin. Pero
Correct.
ito na magtatanong, syempre, the OG, original to talaga ng ano, ng show.
Okay, tatanungin ko na rin.
Junardo, yan.
After Paul McCartney, tanungin ko na rin yung pag-reunion mo sa Bubblegum, especially Bitoy.
Yes.
How was your acting, gagag, ganon, and everything? Di ba, sa anniversary ng Bubblegum, na naging bahagi ka rin na ilang taon.
Yeah. 30th, happy 30th anniversary sa Bubblegum. So nag-taping ako, I think 3 weeks ago. Ginawa ko ulit yung boy pickup character ko.
Okay.
So ang saya, ang sarap kasama ulit nung mga nakasama ko doon. Tapos nakita ko ulit yung old writers namin, yung director namin. At syempre yung pumanaw na namin director na si Uro, so nakakamiss yun. Tsaka syempre si Tita Avid, nakakamiss si Tita Avid.
Tita Avid.
So it was nice to be reunited with my dear friend Bitoy. Tagal namin nagkwentuhan. So, ang sarap sa feeling.
Wala ka bang balak na umarte pa ulit, magpatawa ulit, hindi puro ka concert, di ba?
Alam mo, may marami naman ako nakukuha scripts. Sa totoo lang, dami kong... Kaya lang pag tinitingnan ko yung dami ng araw na mawawala ako, tapos mag-absent ako, parang hindi ko kayang yung ginagawa ni Vice, yung pagkatapos ng showtime, shot ka. Tapos wala kang tulog. Hindi mo na
Oo naman, Diyos ko.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Diba? Oo.
Unless talagang irresistible yung story. But so far, yung mga nakukuha ko, hindi pa ako masyadong okay, happy doon.
Hindi mo na kayong dala ni Bitoy, magsama ulit sa isang movie. o-
Meron kaming pinag-iisipan
Okay.
ni Bitoy. Sana paglagyan niya ng panahon, pinag-usapan namin yung story. Sabi ko sa kanya, in a nutshell, sabi ko, ano kaya tumanda na si Yaya at si Angelina? Diba? Si Yaya,
Pwede.
yumaman na.
Oo.
Si Angelina, nag-asawa, nahibalay, tapos
Oo,
naghirap.
diba? Oo.
Di ba ang cute? Kaya lang, parang ang hirap ko. So maybe that's one. At least hindi na ako luluhod dahil lumaki na si Angelina. Kami rin ni Jano, nag-uusap din.
Okay.
Sabi ko, gusto ko yung pang family. Huwag masyadong naughty. Hindi ko kaya yun.
Ayaw mo na. Ayaw mo na.
Hindi ko kaya. Sabi niya, hindi, pare, okay. So, usap naman kami.
Okay, thank you. Good luck and congratulations
Thank
sa
you.
iyong 9th concert.
Palakpakan natin.
Ang bongga ng tanong ni Junardo, very GMA.
Oo,
Kala ko,
di ba?
hindi naman siya
Kaya mo na.
Kaya mo na, reason 3 lang naman yun. At least